carbon dioxide Lewis dot structure. If you are a student of chemistry and if you don't know how to draw carbon dioxide Lewis dot structure, then you have come to the right place. Look, this is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, you will get one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. You know that the valence electron of carbon is 4 and the valence electron of oxygen is 6, but here you have two oxygen atom. So in carbon dioxide molecule you have totally 16 valence electron, right? 16 valence electron. Now tell me, what is the task of these 16 valence electron? These 16 valence electrons has two tasks. The first task is to connect these three atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy these three atoms, is to satisfy the octet for these three atoms, right? So these 16 valence electrons will be used to connect these three atoms and to satisfy the octet for these three atoms. And here the equalization word is important. Look, at first I will use, this is a central atom because its electronegativity is lower than oxygen. The second way to identify central atom is that the central atom is always number 1 except hydrogen. Hydrogen is always outer atom. So here outer atom is oxygen. So let us do. So this 16 valence electron will be used to connect. So let us use just this 4 valence electron to connect this outer atom with this central atom. So we have used 4 valence electron. So out of 16 valence electron, we have to connect, we have used just 4. So 12 valence electron left, right? So these 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom first, here oxygen. So this oxygen has 2 valence electron, this carbon now has 2 plus 2, 4 valence electron. Look, these valence electron, bonding valence electron will be shared equally by these two atoms, right? Practically. So look, now we have 12 valence electron and we need to satisfy the octet, right? So now we have used 6 valence electron out of 12. So we have 6 left, and now this oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. So octet is complete. Now we have to use these 6 to complete the octet of this outer atom. So this oxygen also has fulfilled its octet. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This carbon has 4 valence electron, but we need to satisfy the octet rule for this carbon, right? So we'll make one bond using these two valence electron. So let us write, and then look, this carbon has 2, 4, 6 valence electron, right? Okay, now we need more, so we'll use the word equalization. So we have taken valence electron from this carbon, now we'll take valence electron from this carbon, right? So look, now this carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron, and this oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. So this oxygen has fulfilled its octet, this carbon has fulfilled its octet, and this oxygen has fulfilled its octet. So This is the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. This single bond means 2 valence electrons, so we can write here 2 bond, right, with oxygen. And also we can write 2 bond with oxygen, right? So this is the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. I have a blog post in the description box of this video. From that blog post you will be able to find out the valence electron of carbon and oxygen skillfully. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.